We're getting ready to wrap up the stucco here on this side, and we have a special guest today from Isaiah Industries. Rick Skinner is one of the factory reps, right?
Yeah, I work for the manufacturer, yep,
okay.
for Isaiah.
Of the roofing product that we used last year. If you watched our Is This the World's Best Roof video, which did pretty well because this is, in my opinion, one of the world's best roofs. And he showed up today on his way to another appointment, and we're going to talk about the product and as we get ready to put the remaining shingles on our porch roof. Tell us a little bit about Isaiah and the products you make and why they are so much better than a particular, like a asphalt roof or those kinds of things.
Well, thanks, Jeremy. It's great to be here. Was out here when the roof was being installed.
Right.
Several months ago, and looking forward to seeing the finished product. Isaiah Industries is a manufacturer of premium metal roofing. We do shakes, tile, simulations, even lots of wood grain simulations, and slate tile in all different types of aluminum and steel. We have like 9 different profiles. We've been doing this for 40 years. We're actually celebrated our 41st anniversary here recently. So we've been doing this a long time. We're out of Piqua, Ohio. We manufacture all of our products here in the U.S.
So it's American-made product?
American-made, all American-made products and materials. Even the coatings that we put on it are manufactured and applied here in the U.S.
Yeah, I think you can tell too.
Oh yeah. So it's obviously this roof is designed to outstand and last a long time. Mm-hmm. The warranty, the manufacturer's warranty is a lifetime, 40-year transferable. It's non-prorated. It has a wind warranty of 120 miles an hour. It has a hail warranty that will withstand any kind of hail of any size.
Oh wow!
So it basically what that says is it won't leak.
Right.
From a hailstorm of any size. So we always like to say, while your neighbors are out there calling their insurance companies and they got leaks coming and rain coming through, you don't have to worry about that.
Yeah. So we looked at this product and we really liked the slate profile and a couple of the other ones, and we ended up going with this cedar. What's the exact name of that?
So that's a new cedar color.
Okay.
So we have 3 different cedar print coats for that particular shingle.
Okay.
We can also do that in a slate look,
right.
And it also can come in just a standard, about 8 or 9 different standard colors as well. The print coats are very popular because it does give that wood grain simulation. Right. That's actually a 4-layer process. So it goes through the coater, and it's all coated and applied at one time. One thing that I always like to point out about this roof is it's really cool to me that a metal roof can be shaped and stamped in a press after it's been coated like that.
Yeah, I've had a lot of people come up here and say, "Man, where'd you get those architectural shingles?" And they thought at first that they're asphalt. And I'm like, that's steel. Those are steel shingles. And one of the things we really liked about it was that it comes as a whole system. So you have that starter strip that it basically acts as a drip edge there on the fascia. Mm-hmm. And that's where you start, you lock your shingles in, and then they lock all 4 ways, and all of the fasteners are hidden. So there's just no way for water to get in there. And we really liked that feature, and we really liked that we had a super good installer, Dale. He took his time. He was here for a couple weeks, and he made every cut and did a really beautiful job. One of the things about this versus asphalt I noticed is as soon as you put an asphalt shingle on, you've got all that grit and gravel that ends up in your gutters, it starts to deteriorate. Mm-hmm. And you never get a 15 or 20 year roof out of a 15 or 20 year shingle. I don't care what they tell you. One of the questions I had though when we were considering this was, we knew we were not going to have a ridge vent because we have vaulted ceilings in there, and this was a big question people had was, well, how are you going to insulate it? Are you going to have to do baffles? Well, you can't do baffles if you're not venting the roof. So this is a completely unvented roof system. And typically you always heard, well, if you put metal on that, it's going to cause condensation and all kinds of problems. And I spoke with Todd, your president, and he said, you can spray foam straight to the deck the sheathing, and then you put your shingle on because there's enough of airspace in there, I guess, that it doesn't cause that problem.
Correct. You get some kind of natural ventilation with this system. This particular roof sits up off the deck. It's applied direct to the deck.
Right.
As you said, it's all one system, so all the parts and pieces go together. But it does carry some energy efficiency and some natural ventilation. It's sort of like I like to compare it to like a thermal pane window,
right.
Where you have that natural air gap.
Right.
Now, this particular shingle doesn't sit quite as far off the deck as some of our other shingles that we offer, but it does give you, in most cases, about anywhere from 20 to 30% energy efficiency on your cooling cost, your summer cooling cost, and it's because of that.
Right. Well, I know that we have spray foamed the inside, the roof. When we put about 8 to 10 inches of foam this past month, I mean, it was up there over 100 degrees. When we were building this porch, I shot the concrete with a laser, and it was 121 degrees.
Wow.
And we were cooling the inside of the house with an 8,000 BTU window unit. So the whole house.
Wow.
Yeah. I mean, that's a testament to the whole system, really, as a project. But this roof is a huge part of this build, and we really, really love it. I love this. This is the best choice we made on the house so far.
Well, we certainly appreciate you choosing our roof. And then one of the things you mentioned, the other thing that I didn't really talk about as far as the coating, that coating has a reflective pigment in it.
Right.
So that enhances and helps the cooling portion of the roof too.
So it just radiates.
It does. Yeah. It bounces off more than it allows it to soak in.
Gotcha.
And actually, radiate through or conduct down through your roofing material. That roof's going to be on there forever. You never really have to worry about it again. You have again, all those parts and pieces all work together and integrate to form essentially a shield or an armor on top of that roof. So you never, like in some systems that you have, metal systems, most people, when they think of metal, they think of the old barn style roofs with all the screws and things that go through it. Well, with our system, you don't have to worry about that because it is all fully interlocking. Those panels interlock on all four sides. Again, that starter strip and all those things all come together. That gives it a tight fit, and you never have to worry about getting up there on top of that roof and maintaining those screws or retightening those screws,
putting new bushings on it.
That
I was up there yesterday when I was trying to get some pictures of that flashing for Dale when he comes, so he knows kind of what to expect. And that roof's been on there about close to 18 months, and it looks brand new, like nothing the day it was put on. It doesn't wear.
Exactly.
Nothing will happen to it unless, a tree falls on it.
You don't have to worry about it fading. That coating again. The advancement in that technology and those coatings have just
well, that's how they can print a picture on it and then it lasts forever.
So that's another beauty of the warranty is you're dealing directly with the manufacturer.
I do like that.
So you don't have to worry about getting the runaround if you ever do have a warranted issue come up.
Right.
And another thing, it's non-prorated. So if there were ever to be some type of a manufacturer's defect or an issue with that, which obviously we all hope that never happens, we're going to come out and get it replaced absolutely no charge.
Right.
We'll cover the labor and the materials to replace a warranted issue.
So that means you must really believe in your product.
Absolutely. We've been doing this, like I said, we've been doing this a long time.
Yeah.
And our company president, whom you talked to, he's very involved.
Oh, yeah.
And he cares about, we don't just sell roofs, we care about our customers.
Todd knows more about metal roofing than anyone I've ever met.
I like to say, he's going to kill me when I say this, but I like to say he's like the Yoda of
that's a good description.
Of metal
when
roofing.
I talked to him, I had every question I could think of, and he knew the answer, like, this is why, and he explained it. And I was like, okay, let's do it. And man, I'm glad we did. This is a great product. Really good roof. I like that you don't have to mess with going to find an installer if there's a problem, or your original installer, or go through a distributor, or having the ability to go direct to the factory to resolve any issues is a huge benefit. Just overall, nothing bad I have to say. No negatives about anything as far as this roof goes. It's been great.
Super excited.
Yeah.
Super excited, and thanks for letting me take a look at that thing again. I can't wait to see the entire roof done.
Yeah, it'll be here soon.
How about get it come out and we'll take a look at it then too.
Well, maybe by then we'll be able to fire up the grill.
Hey, that'd be great.
Okay, so if you're interested in checking out this roof system for yourself, maybe you're ready to replace your roof or you're building a new build, because you're only ever going to have to do this once, how do people get a hold of you?
They can call us at 1-800-543-8938, and they can also hit us at isaiahindustries.com.
Okay, I'll leave a link to that below. Now, you guys have a couple of different brands that you go by, and this particular one we got was greenamericanhome.com. Mm-hmm. You have another line called Castle and Irons.
Yep, Castle and Irons is a steel shingle that we manufacture. There's a couple different profiles in that line, a shake shingle, and then one that's similar to what you have on your roof. And then Classic Metal Roofing is what a lot of people have known us by over the years. Like
a standing seam type?
We also do offer standing seam. We have a couple different versions of that. One that we make in aluminum. It's called Click Lock, and then we have another one called Universal Standing Seam if you're looking for that more traditional metal roofing look. Okay.
All right. I'll leave links to all of those down below, and you can go check them out. Give these guys a call. They'll talk to you directly. You don't have to go through a distributor. You don't have to do anything. They'll hook you up.
Absolutely.
We will see you again soon. Probably next time you're through here, we'll do it again, and you'll be able to see it.
Absolutely.
All right, man. Thanks.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Well, that's one more critical part of this build that's complete. Shingles are on the porch roofs, front and back. Seemed like it only took Dale a couple days to do that. I was inside working on cabinets, and every time I come out, he'd be like almost done with a roof. So me and Rick spent more time talking about the shingles than it took Dale to put the roof on, it seemed like. I want to thank Isaiah Industries and Green American Home once again for helping us out with this project. It turned out beautifully, goes perfectly with all the color scheme, and it's going to last forever. So that's going to do it for this one. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.